Hello, welcome back to my channel. New Year's Eve, 2024. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I've had this turntable All-American 5 radio combination for years. I did quite a bit of work on it a couple of years ago, and I wrapped it in a heavy gauge plastic bag, put it in the garage. Thought it was sealed up. I thought I might bring it out today since it was such a nice day, and realized that the Silverfish, not mice, these are from Silverfish, had gotten into the tiny little hole in the tight part of the bag and had been feasting quite hungrily on this thing. So I guess I'm gonna have to move it out to the shop. That's a shame. The covering was in a lot better shape, but this is a Wesco radio phonograph. That's all I know about it. I haven't looked it up. I think it's from the late 40s. 78, 45, 33. I've got it working. Got the radio working on it anyway, and record player. The problem I have with it, if somebody complains about, never mind, the needle's broken, so I would have to buy a new needle for it at this point. However, that being said, yes, the turntable does work at pretty close to the proper speeds. That's 45. That's 78. It doesn't have a neutral. It's not, doesn't, the wheel doesn't have a divot in it, so you're not hearing the thumping noise.
I'm taking a little break to take a look at today's beach flags. That's brought to this hour by Bowie Brewing over in Apalachicola, located at Scipio Creek Marina. Come on out. Delicious in a game room packed with fun. Today's beach flags of the St. George Public Beach and Alligator Point are red. That's a high hazard. High surf and strong currents are possible. It is best not to go swimming on Red Flag Day. Don't risk your life. Just get in the water. Don't risk the lives of people who may have to come save you. Beach flags for the state park on St. George Island, also red today. Again, a high.
I'm not a turntable guy. I don't actually like working on turntables, but I did spend some time on this.
High surf and strong currents are possible, and it is best to stay out of the waters on a red
It's all wood.
day. Stay tuned to Oyster Radio. We'll keep you updated on beach conditions. You can always find the
Trying to move as smoothly as possible here. So
this beach flag report brought to you by Bowie Brewing at Scipio Creek Marina in Apalachicola.
I don't know if you can see down in there, but the tubes are in there.
And Saturdays. Be sure to check them out on Facebook. Hey, Bowie Brewing, where great beer meets great time.
Looking for a spot to unwind and have some fun? If so,
somebody, before I got hold of this,
your new favorite hangout. Located at Scipio Creek Marina, Bowie Brewing offers patrons a selection of delicious craft beers and a game room that's packed with fun. Challenge your friends to a game of pool, foosball, or darts.
had glued in another cartridge in there.
Want to test your skill on the pool table? Pool tournaments are held Mondays at 6.
You notice one of the wires has become disconnected off of it, but I can put that back on.
2 to 8 weekdays and 12 to 8 Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Bowie Brewing, where great beer meets great fun.
I'll just leave that out.
The Apalachicola Chocolate Coffee Company.
The Apalachicola Chocolate and Coffee Company is located in beautiful downtown Apalachicola.
Got quite a bit of volume to it. I'm running this off of my AM tube transmitter about 100 feet away inside the house, and that's hooked into my JVC digital tuner. There really isn't any AM radio stations. I can do a channel sweep.
Homemade pies that will melt on your mouth like key lime. Derby, buttermilk, peanut butter, and cream cheesecake too. Have a seat. We welcome you at Fisherman's Wife here at South 8th Street. Or call your corner.
Boy, that transmitter's drowning out all the other stations. If I turn off the transmitter, I can pick up about 6 or 7 stations on this. But it's all sports or religious channels.
And the benefits of quitting. Some of our main focus areas include reducing tobacco use in rural communities, promoting tobacco-free and smoke-free spaces, protecting the environment, and advocating for vulnerable
Can't believe the
populations.
Silverfish
Join
got
today.
into it like
For more
that.
information about the Tobacco-Free
It's
Partnership
amazing,
of
isn't it?
Franklin County, call 850-653-2111.
Anyway, I thought I'd put this up real fast. The top lid's in pretty good shape. I guess what I'll ultimately end up doing is buying another needle. The needles aren't very expensive, that type.
For over 56 years.
Seaside Cotton is a clothing, shoes, and accessories boutique for men and women located at 112 Franklin Boulevard, Suite 103, St. George Island. Various styles, boutiques to fine clothing. We have basic suits and jeans to dresses, dress shirts, and dress pants, all ranging in sizes from extra small to 3X. We also carry gift items along with essentials to
All right, I just wanted to show you real fast since it's New Year's Eve. I apologize for the shadowing. I've got this outside.
The residents and visitors of Franklin County for everyday clothing to special occasions. Come see us Monday through Saturday.
It's actually a pretty cool little
At 112 Franklin Boulevard,
turntable radio combination.
St. George Island, and be sure to follow
I'm not
us
sure
on
what I can do
Facebook
about
and
that at this
Instagram
point.
at Shop Seaside
I'll just
Cotton.
have to move it into the shop, put it up on a top shelf. I can't leave it out in the garage anymore. Anyway, I hope you all have a good New Year's, and I will see you again in 2025.